In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PlayStation 4 controller pressing random buttons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about two solutions to help you fix this. First, I'm going to talk about a solution that works when you connect it to a PC and you are playing something and you notice that it is double tapping specific buttons or pressing random buttons. So essentially a software solution. And I'm also going to talk about a hardware solution. So what to do to fix the controller physically. So first, if you connect the PlayStation 4 controller to a PC and you notice that the inputs are being doubled up or random buttons are being pressed, usually this happens because of Steam. Steam has a feature called Steam Input. This feature tries to automatically detect and set up controllers that you connect, and sometimes it can cause issues. So all that you have to do is open Steam, click on Steam, go into Settings, and inside of the Steam settings, you will find the controller category. Now scroll all the way down and you will find Desktop Layout. Click Edit, and what you have to do when you choose the Edit option for the desktop layout is enable or disable Steam Input. So you will notice that now Steam Input is enabled for me. If I go back inside of Fortnite and I try using the joysticks, as you can see, it is going all over the place, it is pressing wrong buttons, and it isn't precise. So like I said, Steam Input is interfering with this. So for me, I have to disable it. So I just click on the option here and it is now good to go. And of course, you can do the same. You can see if Steam Input being enabled or disabled fixes this issue for you. Now, if the problem is not software related, then sadly, you will simply have to take your controller apart and try to clean it thoroughly. You don't have to necessarily completely take it apart, but it's important to try to get any dust and debris off from any holes that you see. As long as you are able to clean it thoroughly, through and through, you will be able to get this issue resolved. Buttons might be sticking down or they might not be registering. And sadly, if you aren't comfortable cleaning it yourself, then you will have to take it to a professional. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 4 controller pressing random buttons. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.